Are you dreading those steamy summer nights with a broken AC? Why settle for sticky, sleepless evenings when help is just a call away? Here's how you can chill out, fast. Hey Bronx neighbors. When your air conditioner goes on the fritz, the last thing you want is to wait around, especially when temps are soaring. That's why FT's Precise Heating and Cooling is here for you. With over 20 years of experience keeping Bronx homes and businesses cool, we know exactly what your AC needs. Is your unit blowing warm air, making weird noises, just not keeping up? We've seen it all and we fix it all. Our expert team handles everything. Quick air conditioning repairs, precision diagnostics, smart thermostat upgrades, refrigerant checks, airflow fixes, and emergency repairs. 24/7. We use reliable brands like Tosot and Mitsubishi, so you get lasting comfort and efficiency. Best part? We're local. We understand the Bronx, its weather, and your expectations. We'll work with your property and your budget. No surprises, no hidden fees, just honest, transparent pricing every time. So don't let the sticky heat take over your summer. Whether it's a tune-up, repair, or a brand new cooling system, FT's Precise Heating and Cooling has your back. Ready to stay cool? Call us now at 917-557-5976 or go to ftheatingandcooling.org to book your service today. Thanks for choosing your neighbors at FT's Precise Heating and Cooling, where your comfort is our priority. Stay cool, Bronx.